Hello and welcome to Purplewood Studio. We are a locally owned and operated small business in Peterborough, Ontario. We make handcrafted products and can customize designs to suit our customers' desires, including wood type, size, epoxy color, and engravings. We create one-of-a-kind handmade pieces that give a unique elegance to your home or office. We strive to provide our customers with unique and high-quality locally made furniture and accessories. Visit our website at purplewoodstudio.com or visit our store on Etsy at Purplewood Studio to make a purchase. You can also follow us on social media to check out some of our projects. Let's look at our last project, for example. Mary Lou had to cut down an old tree that her entire family loved and wanted to make some furniture from it. The tree was sent to the mill and kiln dried. We got together with her and selected the pieces she liked for her furniture. About 8 weeks later, we delivered her furniture, and the smile on her face was our biggest reward. We draw inspiration from the organic shapes, textures, and colors found in the natural world. Each piece we create reflects the beauty and harmony of nature, bringing a touch of the outdoors into your home. Here is a video that shows part of the process we go through in making our furniture. Let's look at another project we did for a small business in downtown Peterborough, Naked Chocolate. You heard me right. The customer trusted us with the entire project from start to finish. Next time you are craving some high-quality chocolate, I would encourage you to try Naked Chocolate, located on Hunter Street in Peterborough. And while you are there, you can check out the countertop we built for them. We use locally and sustainably harvested wood from in and around Peterborough area. We take pride in our attention to detail and strive to create truly unique and beautiful works of art using wood and epoxy. Contact us for more details or to request a custom order, or visit our store on Etsy at Purplewood Studio to make a purchase. Thank you for visiting our booth.